Hey, as an auto repair shop owner, do you want to know the most badass way to get more new customers without wasting a dime on advertising or spending another day or two trying to figure out how to post your offers on Facebook or Instagram? Let's be honest, advertising your repair shop is probably one of the most scary challenges for repair shop owners today. Like, where do you start? Look, we've all heard those horror stories about shop owners losing their shirts, spending a fortune on postcards and ads, or worse, forking over thousands of dollars a month to the digital ad agency so they run your Google or PPC ads for you. And then what happens? Yep, you guessed it, nothing. Nada. Zip. Zilch. Look, 98% of repair shop owners will never know this secret, but I'm hosting a brand new live training call where I'm going to share everything. On this call, you'll discover the simple yet often and almost always overlooked method of scaling your new customers rapidly without increasing your advertising, not to mention your risk. You'll even find out how to get incredible results right out of the gate and start to do this by next Tuesday without taking a dime out of your pocket. This one secret will get you the biggest bang and best results. You'll even discover the worst way to try to get more new customers. And thank God your competition is almost always going to make this mistake. Instead, you'll learn to use my unusual timing method to do this. Look, I'm going to show you everything step by step. In short, this really does crack the code. Look, forget about what those experts say. On this call, I'll show you exactly what smart repair shop owners do to get more new customers in a month than most repair shops get in a year. While most repair shops will spend thousands on advertising trying to get more new customers, when that doesn't work, they turn to spending hours, if not days, trying to figure out how to post offers on social media, only to find out that was nothing but a big waste of time. Let me ask you this. As a repair shop owner, are you really trying to get more new customers? Just think, when it comes to trying to get more new customers, most shops just start to advertise here and there and everywhere. And you know, the real problem is that most of that advertising goes right past the people that you want to see it, right? Look, forget about needing expensive professional graphic designers and photos to create websites and landing pages and ads or even postcards. All you need to do is this one thing. Oh, and about 15 spare minutes. Look, get registered for this call now. This is a live call. There will be live Q&A. It's the most badass way to get more new customers without wasting a dime on advertising or spending another day or two trying to figure out how to post your offers on Facebook or Instagram. But do this now because there's limited spots and there will not be a replay. It is the most badass way to get more new customers for your auto repair shop without wasting a dime on advertising or spending another day or two trying to figure out how to post your offers on Facebook or Instagram. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Comp Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Really appreciate it. Can't wait to see you over on the call. Take care. Talk soon.